Hi everybody, hope you're doing okay on this first week of Reading 100. One of the things that we found was that all of the groups that we created, the randomized group, that setting that we created in the Canvas shell, did not translate or copy over into your courses. So that's something that you're going to have to go in and manually do with some of our discussions. So for week 1, there's one discussion that you need to do that for. So if you look here, there are a couple of discussion boards that you're doing. This one right here, discussion 1 Let's Meet, is a whole class discussion. You do not have to randomize there, but you will need to randomize this one that says video as group discussion, and I'll come back and show you what that looks like in a minute, but I want to show you how to do it. Once you click on that and get to it, I'll jump over to it. So once you click on it and get to it, what you're going to do is click on Edit. And if you scroll down to the bottom here a little bit, you're going to see this that says Group Discussion. If you check this box that it's a group discussion, you're going to get something that looks like this. You don't need to have a group set name, but you can if you want. You could call it, video as text. And then down here is the part that's important. I like to split those groups up randomly. You should all have 25 students in your class or 24 students in your class. So I'm going to randomize this into 6 groups because I want 4 students in each of those groups. So there you go. You don't have to worry about this because you haven't collapsed your courses. You are welcome to create your groups manually. That might be something that you might want to do at a later date when you know your students, but it just takes more time. I'm going to do it this way. You can also automatically assign a student group leader. Again, that's up to you if you want to do that. But then all you have to do is click on Save, and it will be saved. And I'm going to click on that. And what it will do when that is over is it will create with you discussion groups right in here. Now, what's going to happen to the students is when the students click on the discussion, they are only going to see their group. So you don't have to worry about who is assigned to what. They will only be able to click on their group. So it's pretty easy on the student side of it to do what they need to do. So they'll click on their discussion, and then they will see the assignment, and then they will do what they need to do for that assignment. If you have any questions, let us know. Remember, we're meeting tomorrow, Tuesday afternoon. So bring any questions you have there and we can troubleshoot. Take care. We've got this.